Hello guys, welcome to Coding Smartphone. I'm Dom. Today I want to talk about how you can access Visual Studio Code on the web. Access Visual Studio Code in your browser. It's very simple and super easy and very fun. Now, before I continue, please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notified when I post more educative video like this. And please do well to watch the video to the very end, and don't forget to share. So let's jump in and do some stuff. So what I'm going to do here is just click on my Chrome browser. I'm going to use Chrome for this tutorial. So you can use any browser, but I'm going to use Chrome. And after clicking on Chrome browser, the only thing I need is just a simple URL, which is vscode.dev. So with this, access VS Code web or the web-based Visual Studio Code. So what you just need to just press go and you are good to go. Then you see Visual Studio Code popping up in your browser. So the more fun and good thing about this web-based Visual Studio Code is that you can access it everywhere, anywhere, at any time, to do your stuff. And also you can access it on any device that has access to the internet. So guys, this is how the interface actually look like. This is how the interface look like when you first open it. I have already opened this, so I just edited a file here. But when you first open it, it will just be like this normal Visual Studio Code you open on your PC every day. Okay. One thing about the web-based Visual Studio Code is that it has a bit of limitation when it comes to the extension and the terminal. There are some sort of limitation, but I'm sure this is under development, and some time to come they're going to improve, and you can use this web-based Visual Studio Code just as you use that on your PC. So one other thing you have to also notice is keep in mind is that you can have access to your file system when you're using this web-based Visual Studio Code. It gets more fun when you are on a PC. That way you can have access to your file system. But when you are on a mobile phone and your browser does not support, allows you to have a fast access to your file system, that becomes a bit of a problem. But don't worry guys, there are other ways and means to go about it to have access to your file on your mobile phone and modify. So this I'm going to talk about in my next video, so stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this brings us to the end of this video. I'll see you in the next video.